away so peacefully. You don't even know what you're doing. Tear apart my heart, where I lay myself at your feet, and I'm slowly disappearing. And my pride has taken a beating from the best of foes. You're no threat with your life of debt, and I'm better on my own. And I cannot detach myself from underneath your skin, and I cannot help but grin. I feel power tonight, a power I cannot explain. It's a freedom unfathomable to yours. Try to comprehend the hurt, all the miles I travelled inside. Try to labour your tiny thoughts. My anger had been disbanded and exposed upon my friends. Vicious thoughts from vicious minds, and dirty deeds find vicious ends. You can't ever hope to be happy in your newfound lover's arms. Don't come to me when you're in harm. A process, a social experiment, an advert for the real one to come. You chose to teach me well, and taught me is what you've done. Now watch the force that you've made me become. The winds of change will chill you to your bones and travel down your spine. The wheel of sadness will start spinning in the relentless void of time. The leash of life will strike without remorse, entangle in your feet, and with the stale smell of doubt, my humble pie is yours to eat.